how to fix a persistent screen problem. So if your phone screen keeps turning off at the worst possible times, don't worry, I have got you covered in this video. We will fix this issue. So without further ado, let's get started. First step you need to follow is adjust screen timeout settings, which is the easiest solution by adjusting the screen timeout duration. Simply open settings on your phone. Scroll down and navigate to display and brightness. Scroll down. Now look for a screen or auto screen off. Tap on it. Now here you can easily change your screen timeout by tapping on 30 minutes or more than 15 seconds so that your issue will be fixed. So let's tap on 10 minutes. After you do that, you need to follow the second step if that didn't help much. For that, you need to unlock developer options. Come back to settings, scroll down, navigate to additional settings, and scroll down and look for developer options. And here make sure that you turn on the button for developer mode. And after that, you will need to find out a stay awake option and then turn it on so that this will keep your screen on while your phone is charging. Or simply you can turn on the button for keep screen on while charging. Once you have done that, your issue will be fixed. If these options aren't available on your device, you can use a third-party application. Go ahead and open Google Play Store and download Caffeine Keep Screen On. You can easily open the application and go to timeout menu and select infinite. This will ensure your screen stays on as long as you need it to. Once you have followed all the steps, issue will be fixed and your screen will stop from turning off when you need it most. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.